I've just shampooed Leah's hair with the CONSCIOUS STYLE Shampoo, and now I'm going to use the MOISTREPAIR Revival Crème. The technology in it just gives you hair moisturizer throughout the day. Basically, it's like your daily cream. It's the sea salt spray now. I'm going to use it to enhance Leah's natural texture. It's nice if you want to get more grip and more definition into natural textured hair. What I do, I separate the head into like big chunks of sections. I check out in what hair it wants to move, and in the direction it wants to move, I twist it. So give a really strong twist and then secure the chunk and twist again, secure it and twist again. And I make sure the ends are nice and closed. And I just do that for a few more times, and then I can see the natural movement bundled up inside the section. And I repeat that all over the head. Important is that you keep the hair like wet, because it can't take the shape when it's already dry. If it goes to dry, just add a little bit more of sea salt spray. Now I'm going to take the chunks, and with the hairdryer without nozzle, I'm just going to dry every section until it's sort of 50% dry, and then when I see the texture inside, I move on to the next one. So when I've done the head, I just dry the rest with the diffuser or with the hood dryer, and then you see the result. To finish, I'm going to use the HAIRSTAY Anti-Humidity-Seal. Not that it gives you 24 hours of humidity protection, it also adds a nice shine, and I'm going to show you how I add a bit of glam to my beach hair.